Hi there, I'm Jenny from 36Pix. In this tutorial, I'm going to run through a few tips and tricks that will guide you through a basic workflow. I'm going to demonstrate how the wand tool is the best choice for images where the green is adjacent to the background, such as the person wearing a green shirt. If we press the backslash button on the keyboard, it helps us see all the green areas of the image. Let's activate the wand by choosing it from the toolbar or by using the keyboard shortcut W for wand. Next, I'm going to select the green background by clicking all around the subject. By default, CloudKO Lite will have a wand tolerance of 20, and for the vast majority of images this will work very well. In rare cases where the green of the subject is very close to the color of the green of the background, you're going to want to lower this until the selection stays confined to the background. Once I have a selection I'm happy with, I'll press F11 to apply the Hide Green Within Selection action. This will expand and feather my selection by 3 pixels while deleting the green background. The feather and expand will give me a nice smooth edge on my shirt. Notice the status bar at the bottom of the screen that tells us when an action is performing and when it's complete. CloudKO Lite doesn't automatically deselect once it's finished the action. If there's still some background showing around the edge of the subject, I can press F11 again to take it in by 3 more pixels. When I'm ready, I just press D to deselect. To see what the image will look like with a background, we can use the keyboard shortcut C to navigate through a set of different colors. Once the image is complete, I press F8 to save it. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos for information on tools and actions offered by CloudKO Lite. Thanks for watching.